Good evening, good evening. So here I'm just doing the indicator that we have, actually the comparison with what I was going to do, comparing to what we're going to get on the market, on the trading view, and on MT4. So as you can see, we are already on US30. So on US30, with my analysis, we can see that market is been overbought for quite some time now, but the market actually kept pushing up. I think now it's actually a very good time for the market to reverse. I see this, it's a very nice resistance there, and already the market is giving us a proper reversal. That candlestick is a 4-hour candlestick. That is a very nice one there. So when we go on our indicator, we can see that it gave us a sell on the first here. It's actually around this level, a notification for a sell. And after that, we start to see the market starting to continue going down. But with the structure here, I can easily see that the market might reach this level. So this, to me, it's a very good entry for a sell with the indicator. This was like seriously perfect because it was early. So let's go on NASDAQ and see if maybe we can get something on NASDAQ. Let's see. On NASDAQ, it seems like it's going to give us quite similar move like US30 here. I think it's a resistance. You can see that. But here, to me, it's also under support. So here I can see the market gave us a proper sell. And let's see if maybe we have another thing that we can use here. I think you can see what I'm trying to say here. This is a sort of a support, but since it's a quite smaller or very closer one, the market can actually break out of that. But here we already had a sell, and which means if maybe you sold around this level, obviously you are in a smaller profit. So if the market breaks out here, you will be making a proper profit. Sorry. So, but at the moment, this one I wasn't going to just jump. I was just going to wait for this support to be broken. So here, but the market, the indicator already gave you something. So we'll have to wait and see if maybe we get something from that. So I can say, yeah, that was going to be maybe 60-50% trade, but not really that bad. So now let's go on US oil. Let's see US oil. US oil, if you checked our earlier analysis, our weekly analysis, I think you did see that we were on a support area. We have a nice support area here. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To reverse around this level. So are we going to get, let's see, where's US oil? Are we going to get that buy? I think we were going to get that. I see here we had a nice buy signal there, but the market already, we have a smaller cross there to tell us to get out. Maybe it detected that the market might reverse. And indeed, if you check, the market actually reversed and touched this level. So here it means we won't be in any trade. We're just going to wait. With this sell there, you can see this was a proper resistance around that level. Let's check if maybe we're going to get that. I think you can see this was a proper sell there. So that was actually going to be a very nice one because it's going to come from this level, from that level. So remember, this is 1 hour time frame, and on my trading view, it's actually 4 hours time frame. So here, I think it's also 85% a winning rate on US oil. Let's see. On gold, let's see gold. Gold has been going down, guys. Gold has been going down for quite some time. So let me see here on gold. So on gold, on my side, I am actually very closer to an area that I can say it's not really a stronger support because the market actually broke out. I'm expecting to see a continuation of this. I've been explaining this, a type of a move, but I will have to wait and see here. So it seems like if maybe you were taking a sell, you can see this was a proper sell from this level. It's here. you were going to make a very nice profit, but we have a cross there, a yellow cross, telling you that it's time for you to get out. And now it means that there is a chance for a buy signal. So we have to wait and see there if maybe we're gonna get something. So at the moment, I will say we don't really have any current signal, but we had a previous one around this level, which was actually perfect, because after that the market started to go even lower from there to here. That was going to be good. So that I can say 95% win rate. So GBP USD, whoa, this one is melting. Let's see GBP USD. We're just comparing, I'm just comparing this indicator with my actual analysis. So with this here, I can see a sell. So on my side, it obviously this was on an uptrend. The market broke out of that structure. So I was going to look for a sell around this level. So let me see where I was going to get a sell from this side. Around, let's see, 299, 299. Okay. Here we got the signal from this area. So let me show you that here nicely. Let's push it. So let me squeeze this little bit. So you can see that this was the first aggressive rejection here. Then the market was going lower. So here, just because we were dealing with our analysis, which was also good, we were on this nice resistance. The market was just doing its thing, resisting here. But we're not going to take a sell here. But with the indicator, it gave you a green light to sell, and just look what happened. So which means actually following an indicator can actually help you to make more, because on my side, I was going to wait for it to break this support before I take that sell. So here you can get it quite early, almost 50% different, because on our side, we're going to wait for that breakout before we look for a sell around this level. So yeah, this was also 90% accuracy. What else? The German 30. I don't know if we did this. German, I don't think we did. Let's check German. Let's see. German. German 30, German 30. So on German 30, we can see that the market was actually on a downtrend as we broke out of that uptrend structure. So let's see. This area was a proper sell. This area was a proper sell. Here, I wasn't going to look for a buy because I was looking for the market to sell. So let's check this on German 30, if maybe we were going to get that perfectly like that. You can see that. So let me zoom a little bit. You can see I have 1, 2. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. This is 1 hour. It's 1, 2. We have a signal there, and we also have a signal on top here. You can see it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So I think the accuracy with my strategy there, it's like 98% accuracy, but I wasn't going to look for buy positions because I was looking for a sell, as I'm still following the trend. But this was just showing. But if maybe I did take this buys, yes, I was going to make some profit. So which means, yeah, the accuracy on German 30 or German 40, it was also great. You can see if you sold here, obviously you were still going to make something from this level up to this. That was actually an aggressive move. So let's check the last one. I think maybe if maybe we wanted to prove a point there, you can see, let's see, Australia. Let's check Australia. Sorry, just need to, I don't really have to track. It's not a MetaTrader. Let's see this one, AUD, US AUD. AUD, okay, AUD on a sell. I see, oh, double sells. Okay. So you can see that from the top here. Let me see the structure first. Let me understand this. I want to understand the structure. Okay. This one to me, it was a bit confusing. Obviously, I wasn't going to entertain this much. So you can see that it was going to go something like that, but it's better to remove that. But with our indicator, you can see that we had an entry from this level, which was great, little bit below that, and another one here. And both of them, they were like still perfect. You can see that I'm not actually exaggerating. So which means, yeah, the indicator is working very nice. We have a buy there. It's around this level. So it wait for the market to move away from this area before it gives you some very nice move. It's similar to here. If maybe we can talk about the sell that we see here, you can see that the sell is not exactly where the market was turning, but little below, somewhere here. Do you see that? Here also, not exactly on the start of this candlesticks, but little bit around this area. So to me, I think it's a very good indicator, guys. And this indicator is $149 for those who want the indicator. If you don't want the indicator, that's fine, guys. You don't really have to say, oh, no, Kenzo is free. If it's free, you can just provide this the indicator for free for other guys who actually need it. But this one, I'm 100% sure you'll never get it from anyone, unless if people who buy this indicator actually distribute that. But anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.